Okay, to get a natural patina, I'm using the mystery oil. There's a little bit left in this bottle. And I've got one of my favorites here, black tea. Oh yeah. The chefs drink a lot of tea, consume gallons a day. It's good for you. So I removed the tag from the tea, put that tea in a little ramekin vessel like this, and I'm going to add some boiling water now. Here we go. Just putting a little bit of boiling water. Maybe a tablespoon. Let it steep. About 10 minutes later, I'm going to remove this tea bag. Of course, we'll use it. Make some iced tea out of there. Got this beautiful looking thick tea. I'm going to add that into my oil. Here we go. Quite simple, actually. Open the lid to this oil. Pour a little bit of this tea right in. There we go. Now the oil's a little bit darker in color. Okay, here we go. The maple block, the maple cutting board with the beautiful patina, the board cream, the mystery oil, and the mystery oil with a little tea inside. You can see the color difference right there. All right, chef likes to recycle. Plastic bag. I highly suggest you recycle. This will go right back into my recycle bin and be melted down to make more bags and plastic out of. Here we go, just a few drops like this, little swirl motion. You can see the color in there as well. And just rub it in a circular motion. And I like to do the sides. And on this little sample, of course, we can do the bottom as well. Yeah, it's going to soak right in. Oh yeah. Nice. You can see the color's already transforming a little bit. When I finish, I like to go with the wood grain. Nice even strokes. Okay. Let that rest and come back and check on it in 24 hours. It's going to be beautiful, and it's getting slightly darker. Here we go. I like to recycle black plastic, white plastic, grocery store bag, you name it. Goes back in your recycle bin. Swirling motion of the tea infused oil, and rub it in. Wow, look at the color and the grain pop to life. Looks really, really good. I'm going to give it another coat. I'll be back to show you. Wow, it's going to be good. These are the two products we recommend and use the most. We've got the Boost Block board cream. It's got a lot of beeswax in there. It's ideal for cutting boards, countertops, islands, and all culinary utensils and wood items. Love it. This is the same deal. It's the mystery oil. It is a food-safe grade mineral oil. Touch of beeswax, little scent in there. I believe it's lemon, but anyway, it's really nice stuff, and it's edible. They're both edible. I like them. I've got more tips. Back to the patina. just want to give them a little cleaning. Thought I'd share that with you. This is a really nice block set, and it's a swivel block, so it's kind of cool. You can swivel it to whatever direction you're working in, and that's got a few advantages, and it's not expensive. These are super high quality knives, and you can learn more about them on the sponsor site right there. And I'm all done. Any of these high quality ones, like this little 6-inch chef knife, Granton edge, perfectly balanced, perfectly shaped, visit your sponsor. They got them on sale. They give you free shipping, no tax most areas, and they give you customer service if something goes wrong. That's the difference between buying from a small business and buying from a big discounter, a big box store. You know who they are. Yeah. They'll want to give you different products, similar products. They take this exact knife and they put 15 other ones right next to it at lower prices, and everybody buys the cheap stuff. So that's why I'm sharing this with you. You want to buy the best the first time you'll have it. By the way, this set's about 10 years old. Looks brand new. These knives function perfectly. Well maintained, well sharpened. I take care of them. Subscribe on this channel and learn a lot more about knives and knife sets. And with that, get cooking. Have a great day. Check it out at your sponsor. Subscribe right there. Smash that like button. And yeah, stay tuned to the channel. There's some more cool stuff coming. Always something new coming. Yeah. Make sure you leave a comment. Like, share, subscribe. Score all the cool stuff at your sponsor. Get cooking, and of course, for the recipe, subscribe and watch the chef's other videos. You're gonna find it. Sourdough bread. Oh, it's good. On a side note, some of my videos are touching on knife safety, so I suggest, especially for the kids, you get them cooking, get the chef's stainless steel glove. With this glove on, you have full protection. No cuts, no issues. I like it, it works, and wow, it protects. That's what it's all about, safety. Yeah, made in America, made in USA, only at your sponsor right there. Yeah, check it out. Get cooking. Have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. If you want one, you can visit the sponsor and you can check them out right there. They got all kinds of them at the sponsor. Oh yeah, I got some homemade clam chowder here. I put extra clams in there, lots of potatoes, some thyme. It's good to go. Make sure you subscribe. You can check out some of the soup recipes that I've decided to share. Black pepper, I love it. Oh yeah, let's put a little extra grind on there. Yeah. Once again, visit your sponsor for all the cool stuff. Make sure to subscribe right down there. Smash that like button. Diet. That's why I'm touching on them. And the gloves. Whole garlic. Super high antioxidant. You already know that from watching my other videos. If you want to learn more about garlic, it's real simple. Subscribe right down here. Put garlic in the little search engine and you're going to find all kinds of things. Garlic facts, garlic nutrition, garlic recipes, how to roast garlic, how to chop garlic, how to mince garlic, how to dice garlic, all kinds of cool stuff. I love it and I eat a lot of it every day. Boost your immunity. Star anise. Oh, it's a really, really nice quality. Hard to find. First one is my standard right here, and that is this awesome Boost Mystery Oil. Love it. Second one is the board cream. Okay, board cream, good stuff. So you notice they're different. The board cream's a little bit thicker. You actually have to squeeze it pretty good to get it out of the package. And the oil is a little thinner. Your sponsor's got them right there. This will be dry within a few minutes or hours. I'll just let it sit overnight and it'll be totally dry by morning. Thanks for watching. Keep cooking. Have a beautiful day. Don't forget to click that little like button right down there so that we know you like the video and you want to see more. Share it with your friends. If you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Is a beautiful species of wood, makes a great cutting board, countertop, bar top, island top, you name it. I really like this wood. It's nice and hard, very beautiful, a chocolatey brown color. Next. Made in America, made in USA, only at your sponsor right there. Yeah, check it out. Get cooking. Have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Quite a while. Leave a comment, like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah. These are the two products we recommend and use the most. We've got the Boost Block Board Cream. It's It's got a lot of beeswax in there. It's ideal for cutting boards, countertops, islands, and all culinary utensils and wood items. Love it. This is the same deal. It's the mystery oil. It is a food-safe grade mineral oil. Touch of beeswax, little scent in there. I believe it's lemon, but anyway, it's really nice stuff, and it's edible. They're both edible. I like them. I've got more tips. Hey, oh yeah, it's gonna be good. .com.